Hello, this video is about the easiest method to remove simple green screen background or a single color or a color range in Davinci Resolve, as shown in this example. There are other methods to remove complex backgrounds, which are for another video. We can see, for example, here in the freebook, there are many samples with green screen pictures, with green screen backgrounds. So we can, for example, if we come here and download some of them, we can replace, for example, the green screen of a mobile phone and replace it with some picture or the green screen of any video. So this can be done simply in the Davinci Resolve. For instance, we create a project. For example, we give it 60 frames per second. If we drag this down here, okay, I don't want to change the frame rate. If we want to, we can do this the same thing for here, for this one, or for this. These are just examples. So now the easiest way is to come to effects, open FX, we search for a keyer. We just drag the keyer down here. So it's very simple, just drag and drop, and we change. Usually we are in transform, we just switch to open FX, and we come to effects. Now we just choose the color. So the color in this case is green, but the background can be anything, okay? So it can be red, it can be any color. So this can be used to remove any specific color or a color range. So when we do something like this, we get a spelling. This is called spelling, the extra greens. So what we do is just increase this value here, and you see that how the spelling is disappearing. So this can control the spelling and remove the further lines down here. So now it becomes possible to add a background, for instance, such as like this here. So we get a background and we can get a mix, for example. Okay, we can cut it in this location and add another background, for instance, like this one here. And we can come to this one and control the color. For example, if we want to make it reddish slightly, we can make it more red like this, like it's affected by the sunset or something or whatever. We can do whatever processing that we want. So we can see here that we have removed the screen very quickly. So we can do this for any other color. For example, we can drag and drop it here. Just do something like this, okay? We can see that we have removed the green screen. We can adjust the dispelling. Let's remove the dispelling and add something else, such as here. Now, for this picture, we can resize it to become something like here, for instance. I hope this video was useful, and have a good day.